Hey Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with these upcycled storage boxes. If you want to see how I transformed these beauties, then keep on watching. I've had these two storage boxes for about 15 years. They were gifted to me when we bought our first house here in Canada after moving from Atlanta, and they were super gorgeous. One is a little bit bigger than the other. It's beautiful with the giraffes on the front. Back when earth tones were in and popping, they went very well with our decor at that time. Now during the quarantine, I have been cleaning up a lot and thought about getting rid of these boxes, but because they provide so much storage, I decided to do an upcycle. If you look on the inside, it's nice, velvet. They just need a little bit of dusting, a little bit of cleaning. So I have decided to just go ahead and instead of getting rid of them, to give them a makeover. They have these beautiful ornate handles on either side that I will be changing as well. So let's get into it. The first thing I'm doing here is removing all the hardware from it, the latch at the front of it, as well as the handles on both sides. After removing the hardware, I'm just giving it a quick wipe down using a damp cloth to remove any dirt and debris before I start the painting process. Now that all that's done, I am going to use this Rust-Oleum white spray paint. This is a semi-gloss that I picked up from Walmart, and I'm just gonna coat it a few times with the spray. As you can probably tell, the wind started to pick up outside, but because it was a fairly warm day, I decided to do all my painting on that day. Next, I've placed the hardware on a piece of cardboard, and then I'm going to be using again my Rust-Oleum spray paint. This one is metallic gold, and I also got this one from Walmart. After drying, I went in with another Rust-Oleum product. This one is a clear gloss, and this helps to seal and protect my project. And I just sprayed it on, a few coats all over the boxes. And this is what it looks like, guys, after leaving it outside to dry for about 4 hours. If you look on the inside, I also went in and did a little bit of cleaning and dusting. And now we're ready for the next step, which is to add some beautification. Here you'll see me holding up some gold bling wrap that I added to the ridges of the box, which I ended up changing later, but still wanted to show you the method that I used. I pre-cut and measured my bling wrap just like so, using just 2 squares, and I will be adding it, as I said before, along the ridges of the box using my hot glue gun. Here you'll see me adding just a dab of hot glue to the tip of the first piece, and then I will be adhering it to the box and then just gluing as I go. Please remember to protect your fingers from getting burned. In this case, I'm using a paper straw because that's what I had on hand, but you could also use something like a popsicle stick or maybe the back of a spoon, just something where you don't have to touch the hot glue. Here you will see that I've changed my technique in the way that I'm applying the glue. Before I was applying it to the bling wrap and then adhering it to the box. Now I'm just applying it directly to the box and then just adding the bling wrap to it. I found that this was much quicker and much easier for me to go. And this is what it looked like, guys, after I added all the bling. Now I should just be adding the hardware back and be done with it. I thought it looked beautiful at that point until. So after adding the hardware back, I'm looking at this box and I'm thinking, oh, this is so pretty. But for some reason, it was missing the punch for me. I looked inside. Inside was nice and clean, but I was still missing that oomph. So then I decided to do a switch up. I went back through my crafting box and found this black bling wrap that I've had for many years that I got on sale from somewhere, and I thought, perfect, let me try this black and see what happens. So you know what I did. I removed all of the gold bling wrap, totally completely ripped them off and went with the black. And I thought it just looked amazing. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer it with the gold bling wrap or the black bling wrap? I just feel like the black bling wrap just gave it that extra punch that I was looking for. As a bit of confirmation, my daughter and husband walked in. I said, which do you prefer? And they both went, black. I said, okay, black it is. And here they are, guys. I did both of them in black and I left that gold hardware on just as a bit of contrast. And I think they look absolutely beautiful. I just absolutely love the way they turned out. And here they are again, guys. I've just been moving them around in different spaces. Yes, I know they're storage boxes, but wherever I place them, I want to make sure that they are beautifully displayed. Absolutely gorgeous. I am so loving this DIY. Guys, while you're cleaning and decluttering during this quarantine season, you don't have to throw everything away or take everything to the Goodwill. Just look at your items. Sometimes they no longer match your current decor, but you can spruce them up with a little bit of bling if you're a glam girl like me, or simply using some different colored spray paint and getting the look that you want. This will help you save a lot of money on home decor and help you to keep some of those pieces that you truly love that you thought were outdated. And this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I truly do appreciate you. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you as well stopping by my channel and would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And you must also hit that notification bell. That way you are the first to know when I upload videos such as this. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous Penny Pincher Shalom is saying bye-bye.